Good morning. My name is Wade Howlett, and I've been working with Tyler Smith for over a month now, with him guiding me through how to do videos, and I am totally computer illiterate, so he has very good patience, more than I can describe. I really appreciate working with the guy. He's super nice, has a great demeanor, and he knows the computer very well, and he can guide you through with no issues. So he definitely gets a double thumbs up from me. He's been trying to find me, or he's been trying to guide me through doing a video of my business and all the challenges that we encounter. He handles it with grace and patience, and I really appreciate working with him. Anyways, thank you. My name is Wade Howlett, and this video is for Tyler Smith.